Every day, workshops lose business, not because of bad service, but due to inefficient communication. Missing data, endless phone tags, and delayed approvals create a frustrating experience for everyone. This communication gap isn't just annoying, it's cost you customers and profits. But what if you could bridge that gap? What if you could transform those traditional, slow processes into a smart, profitable operation? Hi, I'm John, and I'll introduce to you Roar's solution that eliminates all friction. Customer Connect. Forget paperwork. Through Roar's tool, advisor and customers are connected in real time. Watch how we onboard a customer in seconds. Just one simple QR scan captures the data, secures the info, and locks in a privacy law-compliant WhatsApp opt-in with a digital signature. Boom, you have enrolled a customer. Whether it's a car delivery update or an in-person exit interview, you engage the client at the perfect moment to capture real feedback, live, or send later a CX survey after the experience. Now, let's build trust. Need to explain a repair? Don't just tell them, show them. Send videos and photos of the issue directly to their smartphone. The customer sees exactly what needs to be done, reviews the quote, and approves it instantly within the chat. No phone tag, just results. And when I'm busy or a customer needs instant assistance, Roar AI Concierge steps in.
Hello, I am here to support both the customer and you 24/7 in any language at any time. It's like having an extra multilingual service advisor always on call, ensuring no customer query goes unanswered.
Cut costs by 75% and boost retention by 30%. Improve the customer experience and increase revenue. Step into the new edge of automotive CX. Let's be real, the old way isn't just slow, it's costing you customers. With Customer Connect, you don't just manage data, you dominate your market. We are talking about total control, skyrocketing retention, and unlocking revenue you didn't even know you were losing. Stop just fixing or selling cars. Start building a smart, profitable powerhouse, all at a fraction of the cost of the old methods. This is the new edge. Are you ready to step up?